Let's do the 100 layers of makeup challenge. So I usually just draw on the ends of my brows, fill it in, and then I do a few hair strokes at the front. Believe it or not, this is already 10 layers. My brow pen's gonna run out. We're at 50 layers and I've had to switch brow pen. Okay, we're on layer 100. Next up we got foundation. So let's do the first layer. This is layer 10 of the foundation. We're on 50 layers. This honestly feels horrible on my skin. 100 layers. Let's just move on to concealer. Here goes the first layer. 10 layers, 50 layers, 100 layers. Contour. Send help. I have a feeling this is just gonna slide all over the place. What? It's not even going on my face, it's just literally taking the product off. I'm gonna try and go in with some... Oh, that's way too much. Okay, let's try again. Layer 10 of contour. Into the B, into the B. Okay, we've reached 100 layers. It's only right to go in with this MAC Stranger Things blush because I've seen Stranger Things. So here's layer 1, layer 20, and I'm starting to look a bit sunburnt. 100 layers. Eyeshadow, let's go for like a pastel blue. 10 layers. The blend isn't looking too bad so far. There's 100 layers. Okay, we moved on to mascara and I'm on 10 layers. 100 layers of mascara, and I don't feel like my lashes are getting any longer. If anything, they're just getting a lot more clumpier and thicker. This look is very bold, so let's go for a bold lip. First layer, 10 layers, 100 layers of lipstick. This is the end result. I'm kind of getting Ursula vibes. I think I already know the answer, but honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail?